Unit 21 Nutrition and Health. Introduction. Food is the basic necessity of life. It contains essential nutrients that provide energy, helps in normal growth and development, repair the worn out tissues, and protect the body from diseases. Food contamination with microorganisms is a major source of illness, either in the form of infections or poisoning. Food safety is becoming a major concern these days. Adulteration of foodstuffs is commonly practiced in India by traders. Food is contaminated or adulterated from production to consumption for financial gain. Food laws have come into existence to maintain the quality of food produced in our country. Classes of nutrients. Nutrients are classified into the following major groups as given below: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbohydrate is an essential nutrient which provides the chief source of energy to the body. Glucose, sucrose, lactose, starch, cellulose are examples for carbohydrates. Proteins. Proteins are the essential nutrients and also the building blocks of the body. They are essential for growth and repair of body cells and tissues. Proteins are made of amino acids. Fats. Fat in the diet provides energy. They maintain cell structures and are involved in metabolic functions. Vitamins. Vitamins are the vital nutrients required in minute quantities to perform specific physiological and biochemical functions. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances required as an essential nutrient by organism to perform various biological functions necessary for life. They are the constituent of teeth, bones, tissues, blood, muscle, and nerve cells. The macro minerals required by the human body are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. The micro minerals required by the body are also called trace elements or sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodine, and selenium. Vitamin deficiency disorders and symptoms. Vitamin A, retinol, xerophthalmia, nyctalopia, night blindness. Symptoms: dryness of cornea, unable to see in the night. Vitamin D, rickets in children, bow legs, defective ribs, development of pigeon chest. Vitamin E, tocopherol, sterility in rats, reproductive abnormalities. Symptoms: sterility. Vitamin K, derivative of quinone, deficiency disorder, blood clotting is prevented. Symptoms: excessive bleeding due to delayed blood clotting. Kwashiorkor, it is a condition of severe protein deficiency. It affects children between 1 to 5 years of age, whose diet mainly consists of carbohydrates but lack in proteins. Marasmus, it usually affects infants below the age of 1 year when the diet is poor in carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.